Okay, guys, here is the explanation for AA6, which is complicated because it looks different, but if you memorize certain formulas, it'll be a piece of cake. These is special cases because it's a shortcut because you don't have to do all the work. If you memorize this formula here, you're going to be in good shape. So, um, what does the formula say? That when you have two parentheses, plus and minus, and one is positive and one is negative, and is the same number, same term, same term, same term, then instead of foiling and doing everything, you could just do a shortcut and do a squared minus, it has to be minus b squared. Okay, that's the formula. Just whenever you see two parentheses and they have the same values here and here, and it has a plus and a minus, then this is going to be the answer. Okay. And same way, vice versa, if you have something squared minus something squared, then you could just put two parentheses and you could put that first term here and here, that second term here and here, and you're going to put a plus and a minus. Okay, same idea, just two sides of the same coin. So let's look at that with real numbers. So let's look at an example. 4 is really 2 squared. 9 is really 3 squared. And t squared is t squared. In other words, this is really 3t squared minus 2 squared. And that's what we have here, something squared minus something squared. When that happens, then you are just going to do two parentheses. You're going to end up with a plus and a minus. Whatever is here is going to go here, 3t and 3t. And then whatever's here is going to go on the second term, 2 and 2. And the reason why is because if you were to FOIL this, you would end up with the same answer. But you don't have to FOIL. You don't have to do all that work. If you memorize this formula, that's the answer. So just write this down, try to memorize it, and then do a few exercises. And then you're going to notice the pattern. It's going to make sense. It's going to click. So just write it down and then try it and write it down again and look at it again and try it, and it's going to click. So AA6 is going to have a combination of this formula plus another formula that I need to make a video for.